the Vice Prime Minister, as well as the Coordinating Minister for Social Affairs and Minister of Rural Development and Community Housing, through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, is hosting the opening ceremony of a workshop focused on developing a strategic plan for the ASEAN Socio-Cultural Community.
So first of all, allow me to say that we are now in the process of integration into the region. Our accession concluded. Now is integration what is matter the most at this point of time. So having this workshop, we are gather all the participants from AECC sectoral bodies, ASEAN Social Culture Community sectoral bodies, which is led by Vice Prime Minister for Social Affairs, Vice Prime Minister Mariano Assanami. So in coordination with Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation as the coordinating ministry for ASEAN-related issues, but now it's more and more of the work actually done by the line agencies. So for us, it's crucial and very essential that we need to understand what ASEAN is doing in terms of social culture community, working towards a more integrated region. So ASEAN has endorsed a plan of ASEAN Community Vision 2045 last May during Malaysian chairmanship, and its strategic plan. So the main objective of this workshop is to have our officials have better understanding about ACV 2045, our shared future, and its strategic plans. Then the next, what we expect to get out from this workshop after getting better understanding about the community vision itself, how we do the alignment with our domestic priorities and the region, how we align, how we harmonize our some laws, programs, activities with ASEAN frameworks. So that's pretty much the main objective. So we are so pleased to learn that we have pretty much all the 15 sectoral bodies under the AECC representing here today with the new SOCA lead and its alternates. They all were here in the room, and they will be engaging with our experts from the region and also from the Secretariat of ASEAN in Jakarta, from the member states, Malaysia in this case, I would like to emphasize here. So they will be sharing their experiences and their knowledge and having exercise. They will also be having exercise with our officials representing all the sectoral bodies, which is something that we're really looking forward to. At the end of the day, the outcome as set in the concept note will be realized. So we just coordinating the work and see how it goes. But this is not only the first and the last, but we will continue to have this kind of exercise, getting to know better about ASEAN and how it works, how all the consensus process and how consensus actually built throughout the process, negotiating different documents, because ASEAN work based on consensus, and we would also would like to provide this kind of opportunity for our officials to understand how these things actually takes place throughout the meetings and negotiation. So yeah, pretty much.
Platform for Timor-Leste's continued journey into the ASEAN family, and the ASCC places people at its heart for fostering human development, building resilience, and promoting inclusivity. And with this gathering is a key opportunity to align Timor-Leste's priorities with ASCC goals and collaboratively plan concrete steps for the benefits of all Timorese. And so discussions are expected to focus on cooperation in areas such as community development, culture, and social inclusion. And the activity today marks another step into the country's ongoing preparations and alignment with the ASEAN frameworks. And so with this initiative, it also reflects Timor-Leste's commitment to strengthening regional collaboration and ensuring that national policies are in line with the ASEAN socio-cultural goals.